How to change name in Facebook Lite. Hey everyone, today we are going to show you how to change your name on Facebook Lite in just a few simple steps. So without any delay, let's just get started. First of all, open up the Facebook Lite app and then you can log in. If you're not logged in, you can just make sure you're logged in first. And once you're logged in, you'll be seeing this kind of interface on the screen. So what you can do is go ahead and tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner to open up the menu and scroll down to settings and privacy and open up your settings. And once you're on your this section, you can go to account center where you'll be finding your personal details. So under here, look for the option called profiles right here. Just go ahead and tap on it and open up your Facebook account. Once you're here, you'll be finding your name and username. Go ahead and tap on the very first option. And once you're there, what you can do is go ahead and cross out the previous names and then type in a new name. After that, tap on review change and then save to update your changes in Facebook Lite. You need to enter a password in order to make the changes, and that is it. Now your name is changed on Facebook Lite. So if this video helped, hit the like, subscribe for more quick tutorials, and drop a comment if you have got any questions.